Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to use the BOYA Omic wireless mic. So first of all, just open up the case and then bring out the mic. Now if you're going to be using it alone, you just need to take out one of the mics. Anyone would do. You can take out the right one or the left one. So I'm going to keep this one, and then next you take out the receiver. So this is a Type-C receiver. I'm sure it's going to work for iPhones, but I'll be using my Android device for this. So what you want to do now is connect the receiver to the phone. As you can see, this is blinking a blue light, but now the blinking has stopped, which means that it is now picking up the sound from the mic. So if you're going to be sticking the mic to your shirt, well, just imagine that this is you in a shirt, and what you want to do is detach the magnet from the mic like this, and make sure this is where the mic is, so make sure it is facing this way. There's a little hole here that tells you how to attach it to the magnet. So the mic should be facing this way, so that means that the magnet should be this way as well. So put the magnet under your shirt, make sure the mic is close to your mouth, and then just attach it, and that's all. So you can see now that it is properly attached to the shirt, and now you can start recording. Alright, so you can use the mic to record videos or audio. I'm using a voice recorder to test this out. Now if I press here, it's going to start recording. So as you can see, when I tap the phone, it doesn't pick up any audio, but when I tap the mic, then it picks up the audio. If you want, you can just pick up the mic and hold it to your mouth and speak. So I'm currently using the BOYA Omic mic to make this audio recording. So on this mic, right now it is capturing the sounds. You can see the sound waves. If I tap it once, it's going to turn red, and it won't capture any sounds. So it's like you're pausing the sounds. If I tap it once again, it's going to turn blue, and it is now capturing sounds again. If you double tap it, it's going to turn green, and that means it has switched to noise cancellation mode. So it's going to avoid any kind of environmental noise. And if I double tap it again, it's going to switch back to blue, and this time it's going to capture environmental noise. So if you want to stick with noise cancellation, just double tap, immediately you start recording. If your phone's battery is low and you really want to record a video, you can connect the receiver to your phone, and while it is recording the video, you can connect your charger to it, and your phone is going to start charging. This is possible because the receiver has a USB-C port that you can use to charge your devices. After you're done recording your videos, then you just need to detach the mic from your shirt and remove the receiver from your phone, and then put everything back into the case.